Manny's doing his thing. You and Manny about the same similar styles then. How y'all do yours?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Cause I've filmed y'all on the freeway time when I run on the side of y'all when my man rest in peace. Teddy was on a little sports or whatever. I felt like I'm gonna keep it real with you. I was like in Eddie Murphy in the movie. Stop shooting that gun! Get out the way! Stop it! Stop it! Just stop it, Teddy. Let me get John. Stop shooting that motherfucker. Stop.
See,
But he was good people's man.
The advantage that I got over Nasty and Big Manny is that my bike comes up a little higher.
Yeah, cause you up higher in the front. I noticed that, and they were, he cheating. I'm like, well, you gotta use the advantage.
Okay, they keep saying I'm cheating, right?
Yeah.
But Big Manny ain't got no 23.
Yeah.
Nasty ain't got no 23. A lot of them other stunt cats ain't got no 23.
Mm-hmm.
I think Burnout, what's his name? Something Burnout.
LA Cats.
No.
Because you got some other guys with the chopped off bags and all that. That's a whole different way how they set up.
That makes it to where they come.
They can 12 o'clock it.
They're coming to
like
more of a balance point.
You know what I mean?
They're
DK. Shout out DK. I mean, he does the same thing.
They're
Okay.
coming up to a balance point. So when they come up that high, you know what I'm saying, you just got to have the throttle control and you can just go forever. You know
okay.
But see, like I said, me, Big Manny, and Nasty, you know what I'm saying, we can't come up that high. So we shift gears.
Mm.
They'll pop it up and then they'll keep it in the one gear. We have to shift gears because we have to give the motor
Keep the
more power
momentum to
because we're
get
not coming up fast enough. I mean, high enough.
High enough. Okay, you
yeah.
are like
So
like about this high and not all the way.
If I was to cut my bags all the way like that, cut my fender all the way
Cut
like
your
that,
exhaust,
I'd be able to
and
come up higher, and you know what I'm saying, I could do that. But I mean, that's, you know, I mean, now you got all these other people that surpassed me, you know what I'm saying, but still everybody thinks my bike's geared up, right?
Stock bike.
My bike is stock. I will ride my shit from here to bumfuck
Mhm.
as long as that motherfucker don't break it down on me.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I'm not geared up in my primary. I'm not geared up on my fucking sprocket. You know what I'm saying?
So you got chain.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got chain.
Okay.
Of course I got a chain. I ain't trying to bake no belts.
Yeah.
But I'm not geared up. I can get on the freeway and I can ride from here to bumfuck, and I've done it. You know what I'm saying? Same fucking bike.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and I had a chain on my bike when it was a 95.
Okay, got a question. Got the green question. Why all your stuff is green? Green your favorite color? I've seen you reincarnated green a few different times. You had the boat, the van. The van was burgundy at first, then it went to the green. The boat was green. The two greens on the new bike on your current bike.
Bob, you don't go far enough back.
I don't know you farther back like that.
You don't go far enough back. But for some OGs, original people, or people that's been raised in Oakland.
Yeah.
I used to have a green Delta 88.
Oh, okay.
You know, and it was one of the hardest knocking cars in Oakland.
How many speakers?
I had 415s and 412s.
Ooh, shit.
Two old school Zeus's, a gray one and a black one with the orange writing.
Okay, that's
600
old.
watt Zeus's.
Yeah, black one, yeah.
So I was one of the hardest knocking cars in Oakland. And that car is a town legend to this day.
Okay.
But I've always liked, you know what I'm saying, ever since then I did green. Green. You know what I'm saying? Green has always been my color. So, you know, of course, just like Marlo, you know what I'm saying? His was orange.
Yeah.
You know, everything he did was orange.
When he came with that first time I saw that orange tint, I was like, damn. Those orange tints color tints gave people headaches. Nobody realized that. I did. I sat in one car one day.
I had green tints on my Delt. But I had to take them off because at that time I didn't have no license. So
we had no reason to get pulled over.
And for the people that really know me, they know. I used to get that fucking Delt towed like it was no tomorrow. And that was the reason why I had to get rid of it, because
it was hot.
No, it started, you know, I started when 30 days was only motherfucking $800. Then I ended up quitting when it went up to like 25. Here, get rid of this motherfucker. That's $2,500. I can buy a whole another car with that. You know what I'm saying? So I had to get rid of the Delt and get rid of the music. You know what I'm saying? So funny thing is, to this day, because I got rid of the Delt, I was able to get my license back because I didn't put nothing with hella music except for the Tahoe.
All right.
But after that Tahoe, it just got to the point where, you know what I'm saying, like my new Tahoe, my new truck, I didn't put no music in there.
How long did you run with no L's?
Oh shit.
What, 5, 10?
Since before Pac died.
Good
Since before Pac died.
Lord!
I'm gonna tell you like this. I got my license when I was in school. I got my license in school.